Now let's change these uh, columns. Let's change these columns. We are changing them with this. I think this we did it somewhere. Excuse me. We in simple we are saying name is date and this is the name. These are the one we are calling date, this column, and the tag, this one, instead of tag name is just tag, and posts, how many times it has been posted, and header is equal none. So header is equal none. So now if we run it by shift enter, we are getting some we are getting it because we have not run the kernel. So let's restart the kernel once instead of just every time we do kernel. And now you can give it a few seconds and it come here and say we can say df now and shift enter, and you see now everything has changed. And that is okay. Now remember we want to our main aim is to plot this. Okay, so what next we are going to check is, now we have done that, what else can we do? Okay, let's see.